My name is Mark Reiner. I'm a grain and livestock farmer from Tripp, South Dakota. We raise soybeans, corn, and wheat. We also raise pigs and cattle. Soybean meal is really an important component of our swine diets. We like the fact that we grow them locally. We grow them right here in our state where they're processed, and we can feed that feed to our pigs right here and add that value right here at home in South Dakota.
The connection between swine and soybeans is one of the most important relationships in our rural community, mainly because it emphasizes sustainability.
Another reason that we use soybeans in a pig diet is they have a high concentration of protein. That protein is highly digestible, it is a readily available protein source, and it's cost effective.
The connection between pigs and soybean meal is one of the most essential relationships in our communities. First of all, soybeans and soybean meal provide a high quality, highly digestible, well-balanced amino acid source that helps our pigs grow and stay healthy.
It's a great way to incorporate both sides of agriculture. You've got the feed ingredient on one side, and you can take that same commodity and feed it directly to pigs. So it's a very collaborative connection.
In the Midwest, we have this great advantage in that the feed that we provide our pigs is grown here. So we have the opportunity to take the manure that we generate from our pigs back to the fields where we grow the crops.
Swine manure is a valuable crop fertilizer and has a value of about $200 an acre, which benefits both the pork producer and the soybean farmer.
So what we're trying to look at SDSU is how can we keep more of the nutrients in the manure where it has fertilizer value versus in the air where it's more of a nuisance.
On our farm, livestock production is really important. It's been great for our operation. Not only do we get to feed the grains we grow to our animals and add value to them, but I think it's really great for the community. When you can have construction crews come in and build new buildings, we have a feed company that's providing feed for us, a feed mill that's grinding it, and we also have the truckers who are trucking those animals in and out of our operation. It really adds a lot of value to that raw soybean commodity when we can feed it through livestock and have a finished product that we can deliver to consumers.
A pig eats about 150 pounds of soybean meal from birth to market weight, and if we use the industry average 2,400 head weaned to finished barn, that barn is going to require over 720,000 pounds of soybean meal per year, which is a huge economic activity for that farmer as well as that local community.
That's really important to young people coming back to farms here in South Dakota. Being able to not only grain farm, but raise some livestock, feed the grain that they grow, add value to it, and make a living for their families on their farms.
When we think of swine and soybeans, we need to think of it as a circle of sustainability. Not only sustainability from a nutrient management standpoint, but probably more importantly, sustainability for our rural communities.
I think it really goes full circle when we can take the manure that our pigs produce and then put it on our land and use those nutrients, a great source of nutrients for our crops.
And everything goes back into the soil.
To grow more soybeans.
And that's the circle of sustainability.